Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are just gonna see what are the latest feature in version 37. I'm gonna cover top 4 features that I find important or that are top features. So let's get started. v.37 is released for both cloud and on-prem. So the top 4 features that we are gonna talk about is process reasoning engine pre, MacOS support, process orchestration, parallel queue processing. If you want to deep dive into this particular topics, each topic in itself is a separate video. I'll try to create those today. First, let's try to understand what these features are, and these are major features as part of .37 release. Talking about process reasoning engine or pre. It's an AI engine that is designed to understand the context of the automations or the work that you want to do that you want your automations to do, and it is one of the core component of the agentic process automation system. I attended Imagine this year, Imagine India 2025 event, and there this slide was presented. So this is how the pre looks like. It can plan, it can create goal, it can reflect on the work or the tasks and execute, keeping memory, customer process context, and the knowledge or information on AI and automation models, which can be doc model, process model, UI model. And then there's a layer of automation plus UI, AI tools, third-party LLMs, and the protocols like MCP and A2A. To understand it a bit more, the process reasoning engine is the core of APA, agentic process automation, as I stated earlier. So this is how the pre fits in. The layer that we have below is like automation system layer, where we have RPA, API, task, cloud services. Then we have agentic system, we have document agents, generative automation, self-healing bots, using generative recorders, discovery agents, AI agent studio, and enterprise knowledge. And then these are powered by process reasoning engine and agentic orchestration. We have human in the bot, which is human bot or human agent collaboration through automation copilot. Talking about second feature, which is MacOS support. So now you can run and build your automations on Mac. Those automations can be either attended or in unattended mode. So there is a support for web applications, macOS native applications, and macOS devices. What you get with Mac support is like you can develop your automations using A360 platform. You can build your bots and run them in attended and unattended mode. Web and macOS Mac native application recording support is available. When I say recording, like object cloning. Support for macOS native applications like iWork, Suite integration, Apple script support. Apple script is similar to what you have PowerShell scripting in Windows. And then we have email automation support as well. I'm really excited to try this feature out. Need to find some Mac system. I think you might be. Please comment if you are also interested. The third feature is process orchestration. So we have next gen process composer. We can call it process composer 2.0. Now what you can do is you get a very good interface to build your processes and integrate them together, like your bots, your task bots. You can call your task bots, you can call API task, you can call AI agent and whatnot. So you can build the entire workflow automation and visualize it as a process map. And then this process map or a flow can also be built through BPM and diagram. Suppose you have a BPM and diagram, and through generative feature, through automator AI, one of the automator AI's feature, you can directly generate this based on the BPM and diagram. That BPM diagram can generate you the process like this. If you don't want to generate through a BPM and diagram, that's also fine. You can build it from scratch, and there are a lot of templates available to start from. I have already created a dedicated video using Process Composer, so please check out that. I'll give the link. Then talking about the orchestration, basically I have already covered these things. So what are the features that we get? Like you can directly use BPM and diagram. There are swim lanes to show or to display the user stories and within the diagram. Then you can design reusable logic. You can orchestrate API tasks, document approvals, you can call another process within a process, and then you can see end-to-end flow within a single workflow. There are smart navigation breadcrumbs. You can navigate easily. You can move between taskbots, APIs, and within your process. The fourth feature which I found interesting was parallel queue processing. Parallel queue processing will allow your WLM to handle multiple queues within same device pool simultaneously. WLM is workload management queue, for those who are not familiar with this, but this was quite a very important concept when we used to work in V11, right? So workload management queue was one of the very important factor to add parallel processing to your bots, but now it has become more smarter using this parallel queue processing technique. So it helps you to achieve faster SLA through parallel executions, optimum license utilization and device utilization, and it simplifies your queuing mechanism, workload management mechanism. So these are the key features. It simplifies your deployment, faster SLAs, service level agreements, for those who don't know SLAs, task distribution, resource utilization. These are few of the key features. There are many more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Automation Feed. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.